an elephant and a tailor story. Once upon a time, there was an elephant. He went daily to a pond to drink water. It passed by a tailor's shop. The tailor daily gave it something to eat. The elephant was very happy with the tailor. One day, the tailor did not give it anything to eat. He pricked a needle on his trunk. The elephant was very angry. It went to the pond, it drank water, it filled its trunk with dirty water. The elephant came to the shop of the tailor, it threw dirty water into the shop. The clothes in the shop became dirty. The tailor was punished. He was very sad. Moral: tit for tat. Thank you. Please like, subscribe and get notified.